Guys, in this video I will show you how you can hide any folder or file. I have this personal data folder which I want to hide. So for that, right click on the folder or file and then click on properties. Once properties window open, just check the hidden checkbox and then click apply. Click on OK and then click on OK. This will hide the folder which you want. If you want to unhide this folder, then follow the steps. Search for folder option. Click on File Explorer options. Now here, move to View tab. Just check the Show Hidden Files and Folder and then click on Apply OK. This will unhide the hidden folder or file for you. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.